Welcome to this presentation on enhancing climate resilience in businesses, the role of artificial intelligence. This research was conducted by Shivam Singh and published in 2023. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Climate change is an undeniable global challenge, leading to more frequent and intense extreme weather events like floods, heat waves, and droughts. These events pose significant threats to businesses across all sectors, impacting everything from supply chains and operations to overall economic stability. Projections indicate these extreme events will only become more severe in the future, making it crucial for businesses to understand and prepare for these climate-related risks. This study employed a two-part approach. First, it involved a comprehensive review of existing research, reports, and business information to develop a framework for assessing climate risks and building resilience within businesses. This involved carefully selecting relevant studies, extracting key concepts, and synthesizing findings from reliable sources like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change reports. The research identified that climate change presents significant risks to businesses, impacting various sectors from energy and mining to food production and transportation. For example, rising temperatures can strain energy grids, while changes in precipitation patterns can disrupt agriculture and water resources. Understanding these impacts is the first step towards building resilience. The case study on predicting atmospheric rivers yielded promising results. The findings underscore the critical need for businesses to proactively assess and manage climate-related risks. While some companies are beginning to consider these risks, many still overlook the direct physical impacts of climate change due to the complexity and long-term nature of these challenges. However, increasing pressure from stakeholders and regulators is driving a greater focus on climate risk disclosure. Climate change poses significant and evolving risks to businesses, impacting operations, supply chains, and financial stability. This research presents a framework for businesses to assess their vulnerability and build resilience. It highlights that integrating climate science into business strategy is no longer optional but a necessity for long-term survival and sustainability.